Hey guys, what's up? Pepe Prawns here from the Quadcopter Review. As always, gonna ask you to like, comment if you care to, and subscribe to the channel. That's pretty much what this video is about today, is how we're doing on subscribers. And as always, look up here at the top for any of the giveaways going on here at the channel. Don't have one right now, but I'm trying to get that posted. So here's the deal, guys. We hit 5K. Finally 5,000 subscribers here at the old channel. It's been hard work, but we finally made it. Next goal, 10,000. Hopefully we can get there. So what's going on with the channel? Why no videos? Well, here's the deal, guys. It has been raining for 33 days straight here. We've gotten 53 inches. It's rained every day. It's not been raining the entire 33 days, but it has rained enough to make flying kind of difficult because the ground is pure mud, literally. So I have all this stuff here that's ready to go, but I can't really show it to you without any flight footage because it's all items that need flight video for you to even care about it. So, for example, I built this BQE 3AF, and we are going to be looking at the HobbyMate 1505 Plus motors, which are awesome motors I've used before. It also has the F7 stack from Diatone Mamba F7 stack in there, and we use that Caddx Taser camera in it. So we've got to review the board, the motors, and the camera on that little guy if we can get any flight footage. Obviously can't tell you anything about the stack, can't tell you anything about the camera without some flight footage. We also have this this is the 5AF BQE, and on this guy here we are testing out some, I believe these are iFlight motors, inexpensive motors, but we're going to give them a try. They weren't too costly, and we needed something like that for our builds. The biggest thing though was I have the Runcam 5 camera, the session style camera, and you know, again, I can show you what it does, but until you see it flying, I don't think that information is very relevant to you. So we've got several things on that guy as well to review. So all these things are in the can as far as build goes. I just need that flight footage. I built out that Luminaire, what is it here, a QAVR, that QAVR that came in the Get FPV box. I built that out, and I call it the junker because I kind of just use a lot of junk that I had laying around, like some Racer Star motors. But the big thing about this one is I just got the Hawkeye Firefly split. So this is a full-size 30.5 board split 4K camera. So it is 4K at 30 frames, 2K at 60 frames, and 1080p at up to 120 frames per second. So it is under here. I was able to put this in a normal stack, so you're going to need 25mm standoffs and be able to put your VTX behind that, but it will fit somewhat in a normal stack. Now, this thing was phenomenal on the bench, but once again, I don't feel like you guys are gonna like the information, so you can see some footage of it. It looks beautiful on the bench. And of course we have the Eachine Tyro 129 that we need the flight footage on. I already did all the build and stuff for you, and there's my session that we're going to compare to that Runcam 5. So that's kind of the deal, guys. I have all this stuff with all these parts, and it just doesn't seem like I can really put them out without some flight footage on them. You tell me if you'd rather see me do this in like 2 parts where I'll show you these builds and talk about what these components have to offer. Just let me know in the comments below and I can do that. They're sitting in the can, but I'm going to try to, it's going to rain, but if I can get a gap in it, I'm going to risk the wetness Saturday and Sunday to get all these flown and get all these videos out next week. So thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by, and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.